Just a random locomotive, just here, like it's carrying two box cars. On the back is another locomotive, a back engine, I think you call it. So weird. And not a lot of locomotives run on this line. So it's kind of a little bit of a shock when you see one here. It's really weird, yet really interesting at the same time. Huh. Wow. You never really get a sense of how big these things truly are until you're standing right next to them. Okay, this shot's gonna be a bit bad. Oh well. Yeah, but no, there it is. Start from the back and now there's the front. So yeah. It's kind of interesting, really. Sorry about the shakiness, guys. But no, it's interesting seeing these two locos and the two boxcars they're carrying. Anyway, until next time, guys. Bye.